In this video, I am giving you a simple overview of visitor management system. We are going to build with Power App, Power Pages, Power Automate, and Dataverse. The process is very simple. When a visitor arrives at the security gate, they scan the QR code. This open a Power Pages form where the visitor enter their details and submit the request. The authorized person review and approve the visit. After approval, the visitor receive a QR code by email. At the time of entry, security scan this QR code using PowerApps and the entry time is recorded. When the visitor leaves, security scan the same QR code again and the exit time is recorded. All visitor details, entry and exit time, approval status and history are available in the admin panel for the report and tracking. This video is only overview. In the upcoming videos, we will start building everything step by step. Power pages, power apps, approval workflow, QR code generation, entry and exit scanning. In the final video of this series, I will share the complete solution. You can find it on aptomax.com where you can import this solution and start using it right away. If you don't want to miss the next video, subscribe to the channel and stay connected. I'll also be sharing more practical Power Apps applications, ideas that you can use in real projects. And see you in next videos.